everybody. Bobby Two Pops breaks on Wednesday. It is October the 28th. We're breaking Bombox full-size helmet. She's a one-boxer. Did random teams on the left. Teams customers have already been randomized, alphabetized. Give everybody a chance to trade. Before we did any of that, though, we randomed up the 35 remaining box numbers out of our initial 42. Got number 19. These are seals. Let's start off with one of our eclipses. I know it's an eclipse because there is no Speed Authentics, guys. Oh no, well, it's not an eclipse, folks. Bam! I forgot about that one. That is on the checklist there, guys. And that is going to be the green base spot, the regular green base slot with the Davante Adams Chrome, guys. A damn light. Bam! It is an authentic Chrome, everybody. JSA certification on it there, folks. Beautiful Chrome. I'm going to show it on my other camera real quick, just because that damn light. Bam! There you go. You can see the SIG a whole lot better than it was on the other one. That's just glaring out everything there, folks. But that is going to be the regular Green Bay spot. Who has a Green Bay? Jesus, man. One Slaughters. These last couple series, man, have been killing it. It is in the Chrome Authentic, guys. Davante Adams, Matt Jody, guys. Gonna take that one, man. The One Slaughters have been killing it. The last couple series here, or the last series at least, I should say. Also has the Under Armour chin strap, the green hard plastic ones. Let me get the Jody on it, that baby. To Jody in the box. Let me bring up our random for the qualifier. Let me switch my cameras out. Well, that wouldn't have been good. But getting that out. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. That is Pack and Dakota are going to be the qualifiers, folks. Those qualifiers 15 and 16, 8 boxes into our series of 42. A whole lot of nice stuff left for you, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. Stop on by and join us.